A Canadian Army gunner is set to face trial next month on some unusual charges. She's accused of feeding cannabis-laced cupcakes to her military colleagues without their consent. It's believed to be the first trial of its kind in Canada. She faces 18 charges, but her lawyer argues that military police lost key evidence in the case and conducted a sloppy investigation. Ashley Burke has more.
This case has attracted international attention because it's so unusual. A Canadian Forces female Army gunner is accused of drugging 8 fellow soldiers by feeding them marijuana-laced cupcakes without their consent. This incident allegedly took place in 2018 at CFB Gagetown in New Brunswick, while troops were taking part in a training exercise involving drills that use explosives and weapons. CBC News has obtained court documents that show the accused, Chelsea Cogswell, her lawyer, is arguing that the military's chain of command only handed over one of the cupcake wrappers to be drug tested as evidence. However, 5 other wrappers were collected on the scene. However, they were not preserved. He calls this a case of incompetence and says that evidence has been lost. A military law expert we spoke to who reviewed the court documents said this case does raise concerns.
But certainly it doesn't come across as an investigation conducted by an experienced, disciplined investigator.
That expert has long argued that military police don't have the expertise, competence, or the supervision required to properly investigate criminal offenses. Cogswell's trial is scheduled to start on August 3rd. She faces 18 charges and, if found guilty, could face up to 2 years imprisonment. Ashley Burke, CBC News, Ottawa.